In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OBS Studio settings on Windows 11. If your OBS Studio setup is acting strangely, or you simply want to reset everything back to a clean default state, this process is a quick way to do it. Restoring your OBS settings can help if your scenes, preferences, or configuration have become messy or are no longer working the way you expect. Just keep in mind that this will remove your existing OBS configuration, so after the reset, OBS will open like a fresh installation. To get started, open OBS Studio on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure the program is fully launched before moving on, so you can access the menu options without any issues. Once OBS is open, go to the top left corner of the window and click File. This opens the main file menu where OBS gives you access to a few useful tools and folders related to the program's setup. From that menu, click Show Settings folder. When you select this, Windows will open the folder where OBS stores its local settings and configuration files. This is the location that controls many of the app's saved preferences, profiles, and other custom data. Now that the settings folder is open, delete all of the files inside that folder. This is the step that actually restores OBS Studio settings because you're removing the saved configuration files that OBS uses every time it starts. Take a moment here to be careful that you are deleting the contents of the correct folder. You want to remove the files inside the OBS settings folder that was opened for you, not unrelated files elsewhere on your computer. After the files have been deleted, the final step is simple. Open OBS Studio again. When OBS launches, it will no longer find the old settings files, so it will recreate fresh default settings automatically. In most cases, this gives you a clean reset and lets you start over with a new configuration. If you were troubleshooting a problem, this is a good time to check whether the issue has been fixed. And if you use OBS for regular recording or streaming, be aware that you may need to set up your preferences, scenes, and sources again after the reset. That's all it takes to restore OBS Studio settings on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.